Today we're going to talk about how to make a sketchbook. Sketchbooks are really a wonderful thing, especially in the summertime, because you can take them with you. If you have a sketchbook that you can use and it's okay with an adult in the house, that's great. This sketchbook is about 6 by 9, and that's about the smallest I would want you to have it. You can hold it vertical or portrait direction, or certainly landscape direction, or both. You can decide that when you're making the sketch. If you're going to make your homemade sketchbook, I recommend printer paper, just because it's pretty versatile and it'll even stand up to markers and paint. So you're going to only want to have about 20 sheets of it. This is what 20 sheets looks like, and the staples will still go all the way through. So the simplest way probably is, if you have a stapler, just 3 staples here, and they will go all the way through 20 sheets. I wouldn't try to use more than that because then it's too thick and it's very hard to staple. Clips, binder clips, or just regular clips are great. You can just use those to hold them together, and that is wonderful because then it can be unlimited. You can just keep adding paper into the clip. Okay. Another way to keep your sketchbook papers together is with a 3-hole punch or a 1-hole punch. And here again, I only used 10 sheets at a time because trying to punch more than 10 sheets is just very difficult. So I counted out 10, punched them using a 3-hole punch, and then counted out 10 more, and they line up pretty well. Then once you have them all lined up, you can get a piece of string. If you have those rings or brads, those would be great, or just a piece of string, and then you just lace your piece of string through the hole from the front to the back, from the back to the front, like that. Okay, and then from the front to the back again. Okay. And then one is going to come from the back, okay? One is going to come from the front, and then you can tie a bow, or if you want to be fancy, or you can just tie a knot. I like to keep it nice and flat though, because you don't want your paper to be buckling while you're trying to make a drawing, okay? So I make a knot first, and then if you want a fancy bow, you can make a fancy bow too. Okay, so it's that simple. As soon as you have your sketchbook together, decide which direction you're going to be doing your cover in, and decide what you're going to put on your cover. I would put the year 2020 and your name somewhere on it, just so when you get older and you look back at this summer, you'll remember some of the drawings you made. Okay, so have fun, be creative, let's start drawing.